Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you Tpms sensor. When you look at it, when you go to car info, it doesn't show the pressure. It shows kPa, but we are asking psi. How am I going to do it? It's 200, right? It's not psi. What we need to do is, here is the user guide, how we're going to use it and how we're going to install it. Basically, let's go ahead and look at it. And then we have 4 sensors. This is the easiest thing you can do because you don't need to remove the tires. It shows front left, rear right, and rear left, and this one is front right. We're gonna go ahead and put them. All right, we have the sensors, front left. This is front left. Let's go ahead and install this. That's it. And then this is rear left. Rear left is right there. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do the rear right there. Rear right, that's front right, and this is rear right. And then the last one is front right. Last one is front right. It's easy and simple. Let's go ahead and check it out. I'm gonna go ahead and install this application, and you can find it in the description below, the download APK file. And let me go ahead and install it first. APK installer, install. We already installed the Tpms sensors, Xtrons, and then you already have the cables and USB inputs right here. Because when we use it right there, if you want to use Apple CarPlay, you're not able to use it. That's why we can just plug this in there, and then we can put it just in the car, and then you're not gonna see additional cables outside. Now you can just put it over there. That means you're not gonna see all the cables. Oh my god, there's so many cables there, basically. And then you're not gonna see, and you can use that USB, main USB. Right now we have the application right there. And see, some of my subscribers are asking about kPa and psi. This is the easiest way. Tpms set. You can change the temperature, the high limit and unit of temperature, pressure high limit, pressure low limit, and I'm gonna change this to psi. Now it's good. And low battery alarm, connection lost alarm. What else? You can change the alarm. If you want to do the tire rotation, you can do it on the application, but we're not gonna do it. As you see, that's 32, 31, 32, 32. And for example, if I put pressure high limit, it's 30. Let's see if it's gonna work. Oh, I cannot go lower than 36. What about this? Okay, right now pressure low limit 34. My car's tires pressure is 32, 33, something like that. That's why it is alarming. Let me go ahead and go to maybe 26 is good. All right, that's it. Everything is good. Everything is going back to normal. You don't need to look for KPA. Now it's good. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next video.